Okay, so on question 4, we've got a scale showing us the weight of these 3 boxes. So the first thing I'm going to work out is what the value is that this arrow is pointing to. So it can't be going up in 0.1s because then we'd have 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. We need to get to 2. So it's going up in 0.2s, 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, 2. So this value here is 1.8. So the weight of 3 boxes is 1.8 kilograms. So to work out one box, I just need to divide by 3. 1.8 divided by 3 will be 0.6 kilograms. And don't forget, you can use your calculator if you can't work that out in your head. So we've got 0.6 kilograms. Second question then is all about negative numbers. So a table with some temperatures. Part A, which city had the lowest midday temperature? So the lowest value on here is -5. So Cardiff is the city with the lowest temperature. So we're not writing down what the lowest temperature is, we're saying which city had the lowest temperature. By midnight, the temperature in London had fallen by 5 degrees. Work out the midnight temperature in London. So we're starting at -3, and we're going to go down 5 places, sorry. So I've just made myself a little number line, always helpful when we're dealing with negative numbers to think about the number line. We were starting at -3, we're going down 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gets us to -8 degrees centigrade. Okay, then looking at question 6 next. So here we've got a menu and we've got to work out the cost of 2 items. So 1 beef burger, 1 can of cola. So the beef burger is £1.65 and then the can of cola is 80p. So where they're trying to trick you here is you've got to remember you've got this in pounds, this is in pence, so we need to change them so they're the same units. So 80p would be £0.80, and then we can just add those together and we'd get £2.45. Again, you could use your calculator to do the addition, just remember to change that 80p into pounds. And then finally, Tyler wants to buy 2 hot dogs, a cup of tea and a can of cola. So hot dogs are £1.40, so we need 2 lots of those. So that's £2.80. He wants a cup of tea at 75p. So again, change that pence into pounds, and the can of cola at 80p. So again, just making sure that we've got them all as pounds, we've got our decimal points lined up, and then we just need to add them together. So 16.23. So we've got £4.35 that comes to, and that's less than £5. So Tyler has enough money. So 3 marks, so we need to make sure we've got some working out and then just a sentence saying our final answer.